Frigidaire stack unit complaint. Stack unit is inoperative. Touchpad control not accepting commands. The unit stays completely lit. Indicators are on constantly. Washer and dryer. Showing indications of bad electronic, power to ground, probable cause, main control board, switchology touchpad control interface tests good. Locate component, inspect component, check to see if need replacing or not. Frigidaire washer stack unit. First observation. Touchpad control is accepting commands. Power to ground to door lock is engaging door lock. Power should be routed to the water valve. Indicator, power indicator indicates that there is power located in the rear where the water valve is located. Water valve is not engaging. Sound like a servo motor engaged. Gives indication to electronic failure. Washer has a bad ground located either in the main control or down below at the motor clutch. Power to ground still engaged. Dryer operates and functional. Washer is non-functional. Accepts command. Door lock engaged. Power indicator for water valve. Checks for indication. Shows indication of power. water valve is water coil, then water valves are not opening. Power to ground at a recommend replacement. Upon further observation, discovered power to ground servo motor receiving power constantly. Locate control board. Accessing control board panel located in the rear. electronic control board, power to ground, inspecting circuitry. I don't see any burn controls or burn spots, burn marks. Located electronic control board, integrated relay controls, probable cause for inoperative unit. I don't see any obvious visual inspection of any burn marks. Relay control appears to be good. No discoloration on relay connectors, which would indicate excessive heat. All electronic switches, wires appear to be good. Probable cause, integrated IC control chip malfunction. Replace motor control board. Replace machine control board. Contact distributor. See if this machine will be worth repairing or replacing. Locate control board, visual inspection. Integrated relay looks good. No discoloration on contacts. Wiring looks good. No obvious discolorations of heat, wattage. No damage. Integrated control chips. Integrated fuse, inline fuse look good. Test for continuity, test good. Contact distributor. Price control board. Determine if this will be repaired or replaced. Faulty ground due to possible control board damage. To power to ground. Door lock still engaged. Frigidaire stack unit, complaint inoperative. After observation, diagnostics determined that the control board has malfunctioned. Due to the operation of which this residential stack unit is being used in, which is in a commercial setting, it cannot handle the load and demand of the amount and frequency of the wash. The control board is unable and incapable of maintaining an impedance, therefore causing it to lose a ground control within its circuitry. Recommend at this time, due to commercial usage for a residential machine, recommend replacement. Replacing the control board will satisfy the repair for approximately less than 1 year due to the frequency and usage of this design, and the new control board would then thus become compromised also and as well. Recommend replacement due to that reason.